Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You open the sheet and locate the exact cell that holds the formula you want to change. Once you've found it, click to select and press F2 or double-click to edit in place. This keeps your references visible. Make sure to look at the formula bar too, because long formulas can be easier to edit there. While editing, note any absolute dollar references or named ranges so your changes don't break dependent cells. Now edit the formula's logic. Change ranges, swap functions, or modify operators. If you need to lock a cell, add dollar before column or row. Conversely, remove dollar to make relative references. Once done, press Enter to evaluate. Make sure to check the formula bar for syntax errors. If your locale uses commas or semicolons differently, adjust separators. You can also paste a small test value in reference cells to confirm the new behavior works as intended. Finish by pressing Enter, then drag the fill handle to propagate the updated formula across rows or columns. Use Ctrl+D for fill down. Once applied, scan dependent cells to ensure results make sense and adjust ranges if some rows show errors. If something goes wrong, undo immediately. If errors persist, check for #ref or #value issues and open the formula in the bar to inspect references. One key troubleshooting tip: look for misplaced dollar signs or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.